To create a mail merge for generating certificates using an Excel spreadsheet and Microsoft Word, follow these detailed steps. First, have the mail merge template ready. Enter all of your learner names. For this video, it is formatted first name and surname, but you might decide to do it differently. Enter the course name. Where information will be repeated, you can click the cell with the information to be repeated. Drag it to the section you want needed and then let go. For the date, you can change the format of how the date displays by clicking one of these options. Open your certificate template that you now want to add your learners' names and course information to. Click on Mailings. Next, select Recipients. We are going to select Existing List. Select your Excel Register Merge template. If options appear asking which sheet to select, this refers to tabs on Excel. Select Sheet 1 if that is where your mail merge information is. Then tick the first row of data contains data box. Select the area of your certificate that you would like to add information. Next, select Insert Merge field from the top menu. Select Name. Repeat this step for all the information you want to add. Select Preview Results. To see more results, click the arrows to scroll through the class names. Now select Finish and Merge. Here you can save as individual documents, print, or send as an email to the manager, for example. Remember to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully created a mail merge that will save you lots of time and help you be organized. Thank you for watching. Comment below how much time this has saved you and what video you would like to see next.